Hello, sexy. Welcome to my crib. No, honestly, I couldn't wait to show you guys. Honestly, I was like, should I just not do it until the house is done? The house is nowhere near done. But as you can read by the title, today we're going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving you a little studio tour. I have recently moved and I just thought, you know, it was just, I had to post this. It's nowhere near ready, okay? Don't judge the state of it. I didn't even fake it. I didn't organize to show you. It's just how it is. I just, you know, I'm chilling. I'm literally on my PJs and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film it and post it because otherwise I don't feel comfortable doing anything in the house because I haven't shown you yet. And then, you know, in future vlogs, I can show you other things that I do to it. So yes, if you want to see my studio tour, then just keep on watching. Right, first of all, as you come in, we have the bathroom. We're having technical difficulties with the bathroom today. My neighbor upstairs had like something went wrong. I don't know anything. I don't know life. I just know about being pretty. No, but something happened to his like things, and like all I know is that I have water leaking right now. And I have the floor full of like towels and stuff. It's been going on for hours now. So I'm just here waiting for it to stop. It's a very annoying noise. So I am closing the door when I'm out. And I just have a bunch of towels laying down. Changing them every like hour or every half an hour. Because the floor, I believe you call it concrete or something. I don't know what you call it. But it's like wooden floors. And that's not common in Spain. So obviously, you know how it's done. So yeah. So this is my little bathroom. There's my little shower. That's me. Hi. There's my little shower. No one needs to see that. Then I have a little washing machine over there. And I have a bunch. When I say a bunch, I mean a bunch of shit, babe. I've got everything. Look how many hairsprays I have. Way too many for one single person that obviously barely wears hairspray. I have a pink little bin bag over there. Have this little thing here. This little thing is here. Same here. And then there's me. Yo, bitch. Let's go outside. I have this thing where I can hang, you know, my handbags. This is my big bag when I go to my parents' house. This is my everyday handbag. And then I have my pink handbag that I take with me for work. You walk in and you got like shoe holders here. Things here to like put your everyday things. And a mirror. Me again. And also my friend Arena is on the couch. Just a chilled girls' night. I have Perette's little poop tray over there. Isn't that super cute? It's pink. I love. He just recently learned to like how to walk in because he didn't know how to do it for the first 3 days. I'm playing with your poop. No, but honestly, it took him a while. I actually had to push his face in there. And I was like, there is how you get in. That's how you get in, baby boy. What are you staring at? So as we walk in, I've got my fridge. Picture me. My mom's birthday is coming up. Oven/microwave. Don't know how to use it yet. I need to investigate. And then we have my little kitchen. How cute is she? Adorable. Bin bag. Everything over here. Pink, obviously pink, you know. Gotta keep the pink vibes going all around. It's me, girly. What do you expect? Table with a bunch of my to-do lists. What can I do? I'm crazy, I'm a Virgo. And then we walk into the living room. There's my friend's feet. My ring light, dream catcher, and the sofa. Right, before you guys judge me, the sofa is actually a leather couch. Really pretty, but having a cat, and obviously normally I have really long nails, I don't want to scratch it. So I have now put like a bed cover until I buy a sofa cover. As you know, I recently just moved. So I'm still getting it together. And I've put like some cute bed sheets, like a duvet and stuff. So to make it like more comfy. A couple of cushions, you know, living the life. We have this rug. I eventually want to change it to a pink rug. But right now, this is how the living room area is looking. And then we have the TV. Hi Gorge, how you doing? I got my Wi-Fi put on the other day. And you know what happened to the guy that came to do it. If you don't know what happened, you should watch my other videos. As we walk in, we got a shoe holder over here. Again, I have so many shoes. Little picture of me. Hi cutie, how you doing sexy? Primark candle. I got a pink, hello doll. I've got a pink blanket over there. Got some workout clothes over here. My IKEA, I believe these are called the Alex drawers, you know, sunglasses, tops, More tops. Got a bit of everything here. Honestly, whatever fits, I'll just shove in there. My purses, I got everything here. Makeup still needs to be organized. Still needs to be organized. Do not judge me. I've got like my makeup things there. I've got obviously a lot of my makeup in my bathroom, as you've probably just seen. So I need to get it together. And then we have the amazing bed. It's huge. As well as these cupboards. There's the sofa again. And another TV. And my wig stands. Hello. Now, honestly, I love this. This thing, it's very nice because it separates the bedroom from the living room. She's like, what the fuck are you doing, bitch? No, but it's lovely. And it gives you also like light into the house. It's very, very luminous. Like it's got a lot of light in this house. And obviously I'm trying to add like my touches of pink and stuff. You know me. I've got a really cute cushion that I bought the other day. We were just filming a video, me and my friends, so that's why the bed's a bit messy. Got the aircon, you know, got a bit of everything. Got his scratching thingy over there. Do you like the new house? Do you love it? Do you love the new house? Do you? Hello? Do you? And that is mainly my studio tour. As I said, it's small, but it's homey. It's really cute. I'm super happy here. And it's very me. Obviously, as time goes on, it will be even more me when I keep adding things and doing little touches. But I've just moved, so it's a little bit early to do that. Slowly but surely. But I couldn't wait to show you. So I really hope you enjoyed this little studio tour. And now I'm not afraid to like vlog or sit in a different place in my house. So I'm not feeling like, oh my God, I need to show them the studio still. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna be here for a while. So you better get used to it as much as I have to get used to it. If you have any questions or anything about it, I will be answering the comments. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I've got Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I got it all, honey. I even have a penis. No, but honestly, love you guys so much. And I will see you on the next one. Bye. Have a good day.